guys, I'm Tonya Vann, and I'm a Paparazzi Accessories independent consultant and producer, and I am here with March's Fashion Fix. Yay! Actually, guys, I'm behind, as you know, so I will be coming right back with April's Fashion Fix. So just so you know, I'll be wearing the same exact outfit, which don't you love my shirt? I'll be wearing the same exact outfit for the month of April. Just to forewarn you. And if you don't even know what Paparazzi Accessories is, it's gorgeous $5 jewelry. We do have some more expensive jewelry like that necklace back there, which is bigger, bulkier, blingier. But for the most part, our jewelry is all $5. Everything is gorgeous. It's not like cheapo jewelry you can find at, some little cheap shop. It's like beautiful jewelry for $5. It's lead and nickel free, and our necklaces come with matching earrings. And this is what the jewelry looks like. So this gorgeous bracelet here, which is really a fun little kind of bracelet. You can see the details on that. This fun wrap bracelet here, which is made out of suede. This ring here, not this ring here, no. This beautiful bracelet with the fun charms all over it. These gorgeous earrings and this beautiful necklace set here. And this set matches this perfectly, doesn't it? Like, look at that, it's perfect. So this is all Paparazzi jewelry, and this is what I will be showing you today. But I'm sure you already know that, because that's probably why you're on my channel, because either you're already a paparazzi consultant or you're thinking about becoming one. All right, let's go ahead and get started with March's Fashion Fix. So what Fashion Fix is, it's a monthly subscription box that you get as a consultant. You can then sell these beautiful sets of jewelry to your clients. You get 5 beautiful sets of jewelry each month, plus a big bundle of Hostess rewards, which is a bunch more jewelry and a bunch more exclusive pieces that you can only get if you're in Fashion Fix. So you get this every month, and it's just a great way to make your business more unique and upscale, and to be able to offer beautiful sets of jewelry to your customers, as well as to be able to wear gorgeous sets of jewelry. Like this is a set here, I've got the necklace. These are not the earrings that come with the necklace, they're matching earrings though, because this is a Fashion Fix set from a past month. This beautiful bracelet. Only thing I'm not wearing is the ring and the matching earrings that come with this. But you can wear gorgeous sets of jewelry as a consultant, and you don't even have to try to figure out what matches. You just grab the set and go. All right, so the first set I'm going to show you is Magnificent Musings. As you know, when you're opening your necklaces, make sure you take out the staple, and make sure you tell your customers to do the same. Otherwise, it could tear up your gorgeous necklace. This is gorgeous. Look at that. Ooh. This is beautiful. I can't believe I haven't opened it until now, guys. But I don't have to tell you what's been going on. It has been extremely difficult, trying, emotional times, and stressful. And I'm working full-time, I'm homeschooling my kids. It's just a lot going on right now. And then I started a whole new diet, as you know, but it's worth it. I really needed to get myself back healthy again and get my daughter healthy. And so just because that's what I've been doing in my life, I've been making videos about that and putting them on my channel. And it's hard for me to do videos on that and paparazzi and this and that. So it's kind of like that's what you got for a little while, but now I'm kind of in the swing of things with that, and I'm only going to do videos like maybe once a week. So now I was able to get my paparazzi in. So anyways, this is gorgeous, and that is the set for Magnificent Musings. That's the necklace with the matching earrings there. Gorgeous. That's what the bigger pair look like. Some funky hoops. Love that. And this is like a gunmetal color, as you can see here. So Let me just show you with this big old fun hoops. Everybody loves a big pair of funky hoops. It looks like 2 bracelets this time. Usually it's a bracelet and a ring. Looks like they did 2 bracelets, which I love this bracelet. It matches the necklace perfectly. Your other bracelet matches your earrings perfectly, it looks like. And it's some bangles. Oh my gosh, the last vendor event I did, I was so mad because I left my box of bangles at home. And I had someone come up and ask me for bangles, of course. That's when you get someone specifically looking for nothing but bangles. Look at those bangles, love it. And it actually, I could wear them even with this. I like to wear like multiple bracelets, as you see. So yeah, that goes with that. But yeah, that's cute. Just those earrings. Perfect. Next, I'm gonna show you glimpses of Malibu. And this one is like, I was gonna say gold, but it looks like it's rose gold. Very different and beautiful. All right, this is the rose gold necklace. Look! Matching earrings here. Do you see that? This tone would be beautiful on my skin tone and with my hair. So pretty. This will also be gorgeous in the summertime. So that is the ring there. So pretty. Beautiful bracelet. So that is such a gorgeous set. I love it. So now this is Simply Santa Fe. Wow. So that's the necklace with the little matching earrings there. Oh, those are fun. Cute. That'd be really pretty with like a, maybe just like a cream kind of simple top. Stretchy bracelet here. So pretty turquoise ring. Next is Fiercely Fifth Avenue. Whoa, look at that. Gorgeous. Gorgeous earrings. Love my little blinky earrings. I love this thick silver chain. That's pretty. Ooh, look at this bracelet. It's similar to what I'm wearing. But look at that. Oh wow, I just noticed I still have a bangle on. From the other set. Ooh, this is cute. This is a ring. Look at that. That's so pretty. Look at those. I have a similar pair to that, but they're not as big. Those are really cute. Definitely stands out as a nice little statement piece of earrings. You are definitely blinging it. Cute. Sunset sighting. Whoa. Look at that. A long silver chain. I love those big chunky charms. That's so cute. And then they give you some little dainty little earrings to go with it. Oh, look at this. So that's a fun leather bracelet. So cute. Love that. Got this ring here. This ring is a little bit bigger, so definitely if it's too big for you, look for my video on how to adjust your ring. That way that fits on my thumb. That's cute though. And look at these fun earrings. They have a lot of movement to them. Very nice size. Definitely goes well with this set where your pieces are a little bit bigger. So really cute. And now for the exclusives. Look at that. It's got all that fun little jewelry and charms. $5, guys. That's pretty. The earrings. Ooh, this is really pretty. It's like a gold bangle bracelet, and then it's got some bling in there, and the green bling is kind of like a rose or champagne kind of color. It's got some ripples on the side. That's really cute. This ring here, which is kind of like a silver ish color, and diamonds, like, it's really pretty. I love that ring. So, and it's a skinny band. So that's it for March's Fashion Fix sets. One thing I want to show you is what you can do with your Fashion Fix sets. So one moment. Okay, so I have this jewelry hanger. Stick a hanger in there, put it through the back here, and your hanger's there. And you can take your sets and put them in here. These sets are definitely bigger than the normal sets, I feel. They're pretty big and bulky. So it's a little bit harder with these sets than normal. And I'm going to show you how it turns out. Okay, so this is all loaded now. So I've got one set here, one set here, one set here, one set here, and one set here. And so you can, trying to get that in there. So you can let your customers know they have to buy the whole set, or if you want to break up the sets, then you can definitely do that as well. And you can also set, if you have extras, you could put it underneath if you want, but you've got your sets all in here. And so what I do now when I do events, especially if it's events where I don't have a lot of room or time to set up, I will load these and lay them out on the table, and I lay them very neatly, right one next to each other. I'll put a picture in here for you to see how it turned out, but it looks very nice and neat. And definitely tell your customers, feel free to take things out of the pockets and look at them. I don't know if this would sell as much as if you have things like all on bus, but this is like all laid out on the table nice and neat, and you can just let them know these are all sets. And then you can have other ones, which I will show you. This whole thing is earrings, which would make it easy if I wanted to go live and show just earrings. I've got them all preloaded here, or if I have a customer come over to shop, I can have these hanging on a wardrobe rack and they can easily see everything. Oh, I take it back, there's a bracelet there. It's not supposed to be in there. Let's stick a pair of earrings in that pocket. There we go. So yeah, that's pretty much what you can do with these. And then you can take these, and these I got off of Amazon, and I will put the link in the description box for you below. But they were not expensive. They were maybe $7 or $8 each. And I don't know if Paparazzi still has these available, but they used to have. Hopefully they still do these wardrobe garment bags. I mean, I love Paparazzi's. Even my husband loves theirs because on the back you've got these pockets. I'm going to show you how I load these garment bags, and it makes it super simple when it's time to go to an event. All right, so I'm going to show you. I'm going to put a ring. Okay, so I'm going to put that in here. This made it great. I had someone want to do a hostess party. Well, she was doing an event. I couldn't go to the event, so I just gave her this garment bag full of jewelry. She took it and loaded it and put it on her table, and it took her maybe 5-10 minutes to set up. It was great. All right, and then put in some of these necklace holders, and I can put those in the smaller pockets up top here, or in the bigger one down at the bottom. Depends. These necklaces are a little bigger, and let's see if they fit. Or if you had one of those with earrings on it, that would definitely go up there. Well, okay, so So it looks like that fit. You can see that's in there. I have room for another one here and another big pocket at the bottom that's empty right now. Another thing that I put in there is bags. Stick those down in there. I have a little notebook that I'll put in there usually, as well as the little cellophane bags. I'll put that down here with these. So I got my mirror. If you do a mirror on your table, I have my mirror envelope that I use here. Stick that in there. Business cards. I'll put these up here. I would normally have them in like a box or something. I'm just gonna stick them in one of these bags here for now. Stick all those in there. These cards now, those are going in here. You can see it's all loaded now with all my stuff. My rings, all the stuff I mentioned. This is the front. Got the jewelry in there. And you are good to go. You just take this to your event and you unload it, and it's very quick and simple. So I love the Paparazzi garment bag. Hopefully they still have them. I will check and I will let you know. If they don't, then I'll look for one on Amazon and put a link to a good garment bag on Amazon that I think would work well and put that in there too. All right, guys, that is all. Sorry for the long video. I got a lot of editing to do. All right, I'll be back. Sorry. I'll be back with April's fashion fix set next. Bye-bye. God bless.